Hello and welcome to Magical Maidens Reviews. Today what I have from you is another product from the Wolfus site. Okay, there it is. A representative from there reached out to me and asked if I'd like to try some of their products in exchange for an honest review. So I, of course, said yes, and I chose 4 products. One of them I already done a review on. It's a beautiful black turquoise gemstone ring. And the ring is black, it's made out of stainless steel, and there's a beautiful turquoise gemstone that is black. So you have to see that review if you haven't seen it. But today I have another beautiful ring for you. So let's get started. Okay, so today what I have for you is this beautiful ring by Wolfus. And I'm going to give you better pictures of it. I'm going to let you see it better. I take better video of it so there's not a glare from my ring light. But it's a very beautiful ring, and I'm going to also read a little bit about it to you. This ring. Most of you know, and I said this in my last review, most of you know I like different and unique jewelry. I create my own jewelry. I like my jewelry to stand out, be statement pieces, be different from what everybody else has. I saw this ring, I had to get it because it's beautiful and it looks great when the light shimmers. It shimmers in the light and it changes colors and it's just gorgeous up close. So I'm going to try to take my camera and go outside where the sun's hitting it. Whenever light's hitting it, it looks great. Even in the dark, it looks great. So here it is, and I'm going to read a little bit about it to you. This is an ocean abalone shell, Titan steel titanium. So this ring is an ocean with abalone shell. It's titanium steel ring. Now this one's in black, but it also comes in silver and then also gold. So you have 3 choices. I chose the black because it really made the abalone stand out, but I love silver. Now if you prefer gold, you have that as well. Or if you want to give this as a gift and you know somebody that wants it, then there it is. Don't forget, when you're done watching this video, look below in the description box for the link to this beautiful abalone titanium ring. Click the link I have below in the description box. It's going to take you to the Wolfus site. And you're going to see it. There it is. It's very pretty. And then below you have your choice of silver or gold, or the black like I have. And it's a very beautiful ring, and you can choose. Now they have a buy 2 get 1 free, and they give you a code if you look up top. And when you go and scroll down, you're going to have your ring size. So it's very important that you look for your ring. So this says US size. You click the drop down box, different sizes will come out. And then remember to put your quantity, whether you want 1 or 2, because you might want 1 for yourself and then 1 for another person. So I'm going to read a little bit about it to you. This is a mesmerizing ocean serenade ring. It's an exquisite piece of jewelry that encapsulates the beauty and the allure of the ocean's wonders. It's crafted with meticulous attention to detail. This breathtaking ring is a tribute to the vast expanse of the deep blue sea, adorned with precious shells and enchanting abalone. I really love this. It's eye-catching. You can't stop staring at your ring. You just can't stop staring at it. Whether you wear it as a symbol of your love for the ocean, reminder of a beach memory, or simply as a striking statement piece. The Ocean Serenade ring is sure to captivate hearts and turn heads. And I can vouch for that because it's a very eye-catching ring, and I'm sure you're going to get a lot of compliments. I know I can't stop looking at it. I just love looking at it. And it embraces the allure of the sea, and it carries an eternal beauty with you wherever you go. A very pretty and extraordinary, graceful ring that captures the essence of the ocean's timeless serenade. So it's made with titanium steel, and when you're on the side, it'll give you the weight, okay? And it's just beautiful. The three choices you have, whatever you pick. I mean, I love this ring, and I can't get enough of it. So you're definitely going to enjoy it. I really love this, and it's really of good quality. I'm not just saying that because I'm doing a review. I'm doing an honest review. And no scratches, no dings. It's so pretty. I love it. Look at that. And it's all the way around, by the way. So all the way around your finger, you'll see this beautiful abalone. Okay? So I definitely recommend that you go check this out. Be subscribed to my channel and click that notification bell, because coming up I'm going to have 2 other reviews. Also, check out my last review I have from another product from Wolfa. It's the beautiful black turquoise ring. You're going to want to see that. These are statement pieces. No one's going to be able to keep their eyes off this ring because I can't. It's very, very eye-catching. And like I said, I definitely recommend this to anybody looking for a unique, eye-catching piece, whether you want to give it as a gift or for yourself. And again, it comes in silver, gold, or the black. And it's titanium with abalone. It's titanium with abalone set in there. So it's very, very pretty, and you'll definitely want one for yourself because I love wearing this ring. I was torn between the silver and the black, but I think the black made the abalone stand out more. But like, it's your preference. They have 3 choices. Remember, when you're done watching this, please go below in the description box and click the link that'll take you straight to this ring on the Wolfa site. So thanks for watching. Bye.